Hey, good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Malcolm Miles here with Benchmark Realty, and just came off the holiday weekend. Had a great weekend. Getting back in the office, getting back to it, and I just wanted to bring you a little report that I've been seeing, so we can kind of see what the market is doing currently. All right. So for the month of June here in Clarksville, Tennessee, which is last month, we had a total of 520 homes sell in that month period. All right. The average days on market was about 32 days, and the average sales price was $347,000, which equates to about $181 per square foot. So that's the average across Clarksville for the June timeframe. All right. We compare that to the month prior, so the month of May. And in the month of May, there also was a total of 520 homes that sold that month, ironically. So both months, 520 homes total in the Clarksville area. Total days on market was about 41 days on market. The average sales price was $337,000, the average price across the city. And the average price sold per square foot, which was $177 per square foot. Now it's an average. So that means you have some homes that sold for more, some homes that sold for less, but that's the average across the Clarksville area. All right. And if we take it back one more month to the month of April, all right, the month of April, the average days on market was 47 days. All right. So as you can see, considerably longer than what it has been the past 2 months. Also, there were there were 404 homes that sold in the month of April. So in April, we had 404 homes that sold. And for the last 2 months, we've had 520 homes. So as you can see, the definitely over the past couple months, it has increased in activity. All right. So back to the month of April, 47 days on market. The average price back then was $333,000. So we have come up about $5,000 on average for the average house, and still about $177 per square foot. All right. So what does this mean to you, and what does it mean to me? Basically, we're trending towards more homes selling. So April, there was 404 homes sold. May, 520. June, 520. And the average days on market has been decreasing as well, which lets me know that there's more activity. So even with the interest rates, there's still a lot of buyers out here, still a lot of people needing to sell their home, still a lot of activity. So if you have any questions about the market, or been thinking about selling or thinking about buying, we'll love the opportunity to talk to you and answer any questions that you have. But other than that, I appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for checking in. Let me know if you have questions, and have a great day. Peace.